Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive into a comprehensive tutorial on reading CSV data into NumPy record arrays. This method provides a structured way to handle tabular data where each column can have a specific data type and a name. Understanding NumPy record arrays. Before we get into the how, let's understand why you might want to use a NumPy record array. Asterisk structured data. Asterisk record arrays are designed to hold heterogeneous data, different data types in different columns, in a tabular format, similar to a database table or a spreadsheet. Asterisk named fields. Asterisk each column in a record array is called a field, and you can access these fields by name, example data name, data age. Asterisk efficiency. Asterisk NumPy arrays are generally efficient for numerical operations, and record arrays inherit this efficiency when dealing with numerical columns. Asterisk data integrity.